Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to store ginger for a long time. First, select fresh ginger that is firm and free of blemishes. Avoid peeling the ginger before storage, as the skin helps protect it. For short-term storage, you can simply keep whole, unpeeled ginger in a cool, dark pantry for up to 1 week. This method is simple and effective for immediate use. For longer storage in the refrigerator, place your unpeeled ginger in an airtight, resealable bag or container. This prevents it from drying out and absorbing other odors. You can keep ginger fresh this way for up to 3 weeks. Remember to check for any moisture inside the bag, as excess humidity can lead to mold. A paper towel can help absorb any condensation. Freezing is an excellent option for very long-term storage. First, peel the ginger and then you can chop it, grate it, or even blend it into a paste. Place the prepared ginger in freezer-safe bags, ice cube trays, or airtight containers. This method allows you to keep ginger fresh for several months, typically up to 6 months, making it readily available for cooking whenever you need it. For an even longer shelf life, consider storing peeled ginger submerged in a jar of vodka or sherry in the refrigerator. It can last for several months this way. Always use clean utensils when retrieving ginger to prevent contamination and ensure its longevity. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Proper storage ensures you always have fresh ginger on hand for your culinary adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.